Low-carb dosa recipe, keto and gluten-free. Craving those crisp, savory dosas but watching your carbs? Ready in just 15 minutes, these beauties are perfect for a quick breakfast, satisfying lunch, or a light, yet flavorful dinner. So, break out your tawa and let's get dosa-ing. Ingredients: make 6 to 8 dosas. Batter: ½ cup almond flour, 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/3 cup unsweetened coconut milk, 1/4 of a teaspoon ground cumin, pinch of hing, asafoetida, optional salt to taste. Filling: choose one or mix and match. Spiced mashed avocado, lime juice, cilantro, salt, pepper. Keto scrambled eggs, grated cheddar, salt, pepper. Ground chicken stir-fry with cauliflower rice, ground chicken, cauliflower rice, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, sriracha coconut chutney, grated coconut, cilantro, green chilies, ginger, lemon juice, salt. Optional toppings: ghee, chopped cilantro, red onion slices. Instructions: 1. Whip up the batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together almond flour, mozzarella cheese, coconut milk, cumin, hing, if using, and salt until smooth and pourable. Let the batter rest for 10 minutes to thicken slightly. 2. Heat your tawa. Heat a greased non-stick tawa, dosa pan, over medium heat. Pour about 2 tablespoons of batter onto the tawa and quickly spread it into a thin, round circle. 3. Crispy and golden, drizzle a teaspoon of ghee around the edges of the dosa and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges turn golden brown and crisp. 4. Fill and fold. Add your chosen filling to one half of the dosa. Using a spatula, carefully fold the other half over the filling to form a crescent shape. 5. Serve and savor. Garnish with chopped cilantro, red onion slices, and additional ghee, optional. Tips: for extra crispy dosas, use a well-seasoned cast iron tawa. If the batter seems too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 of water until it reaches a pourable consistency. Get creative with your fillings. Chopped vegetables, sautéed tofu, or even leftover shredded chicken can be delicious options. Leftover batter can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days. Whisk it well before using again. This low-carb dosa recipe is a game changer for anyone following a keto or gluten-free diet. It's packed with flavor, incredibly versatile, and ready in a flash. Bonus: remember to subscribe for more keto-friendly, Indian-inspired recipes delivered straight to your inbox. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know how you enjoyed your low-carb dosa adventure.